Hey guys, it's Doha from CraftCrunchr, and today's video is the second episode of my series Index Card Art. I'm going to show you a cool technique with washable markers. Let's begin. I cut out a simple little heart and used it as a stencil to trace it onto my index card. This is optional, but I think it makes your card look cooler once you cut it out. Then I took my washable markers and started coloring around the shape I made. I ended up filling majority of the index card with color. Once I did that, I moved to an area that I covered with a garbage bag so the runoff wouldn't get everywhere. I soaked the paper towel in water and used it to drip water onto the index card. Once that was done, I used more paper towels to clean up the area and get the excess water out of the paper. After that, I placed a heavy pile of books and magazines over it to keep it flat as it dried. I left that for an hour or two to give it good time to dry and then picked up the books. I moved over to my mat and used an X-Acto knife to cut out the heart I had stenciled on before. Here's the index card once I added it to my banner. Here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.